Yeah, running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest gon' come in.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth Ann, and I am in my erewhon OOTD.
Come with me to LA's most expensive grocery store, Erewhon. Now we all know Erewhon is known for having some pretty crazy expensive stuff, so let's dive in and see what's actually worth the money. Starting off strong with one of their infamous smoothies for $18. While it's probably made with liquid gold, this will probably be gone in an hour versus spending a few dollars less and grabbing something that will last me a month like these travel-sized toothpaste bits by Bite. Next we're moving on to the 16-ounce sea moss gel for $40. Personally, I'd rather have 20 12-ounce cans of prebiotic soda for the same price. Ending with my most shocking find, $20 gallon of milk. Yes, you heard me right. You can buy 2 of these for $40 or a refillable deodorant by Bite that will last you a few months instead. Now, Erewhon does have some pretty cool sustainability initiatives like their reusable bottle program, which is why you'll see items like granola and soups and mason jars as well as other bulk products. So come stop by and say hello to Bite.
Where you buy your overpriced kale chips says a lot about you. Gotta choose your market wisely. Here's your guide to LA's grocery stores. First up, the iconic Erewhon. For models, influencers, and basically everyone you've muted on Instagram shop. It's a great place to buy camel milk, and orange cauliflower that's more photogenic than you, and juice that costs almost as much as a Tesla. Basically, Erewhon is the best, as long as someone else is paying.
I'm actually gonna put a sweatshirt on. But today is such an exciting video. I've been wanting to do this video since I was in London all summer. I've put it off for so long, but I finally have the most important, a good blender, and we're gonna try a bunch of different smoothies this week, and I'm really excited. For size reference, I don't think people should be eating charcoal, but apparently people do. So the first smoothie of the week is the newest and the most exciting because everyone says it's the best. So it is also the most expensive at Erewhon. It runs about $23.
I'm sitting here, I'm gonna drink my poosh detox smoothie. Oh, this is so good. This is
You guys, it's here. The Poosh Potion Detox Smoothie by Kourtney Kardashian Barker has finally arrived at Erewhon.
And we're gonna get all the ingredients and put it together. Okay, here we go. Okay, also, I figured I'd kind of talk because I have a feeling the people who watch this video might not be necessarily subscribers. So, hi, my name is Elizabeth Ann. I'm obsessed with all things LA. I'm 25, almost 26. I'm about to apply to, I'm in the process of applying to, it's actually a master's program in digital media, film, entertainment, I believe are like the 3. And basically you just learn about the different areas of filmmaking, producing, directing, screenwriting, all that kind of stuff. So, very exciting. My dream is to be an Erewhon girly one day. And look how big these blueberries are. Oh my gosh, okay. Just gonna eyeball the blueberries. I love blueberries though, so I know it's gonna be delicious. We're going to add our vanilla protein. This isn't my favorite because it makes it very nutty. It's just plant protein. So anyway, it's not my favorite protein, but my favorite is Weight Watchers, if you guys. But I don't think it's the best for you. This is much better for you. Okay. Let's add some avocado chunks. I've been back in the States since September. I was interning in London, which was super fun. I loved every minute of it. But it was a deciding factor that I did not want to be in fashion anymore. So that's how I got here. Okay. I'm thinking I might have to add a lot more. She's here. And she's going in this drink. I have a feeling that this is a huge fail, but it is what it is and we'll move on. I'm so upset. Okay, maybe it's not as bad as I thought. Okay. It's not great, but it's not the worst. Oh my gosh. Also, she's a little more brown than black. But let's try it. Oh my gosh. All right. It's time for an official taste test of the Poosh Potion Smoothie. Look, I gotta say, aesthetics, pretty good. It's pretty good. It honestly just tastes like a regular protein smoothie. Hi guys, we've moved on to smoothie number 2. I want to say a few things. The first one being that when I first decided to do this, I was like, I'm gonna do a different one a day for a week. And that's probably what the title is. And I don't want this to be lying because I'm not a liar. I'm very much an honest girl. But the times are what they are, and unfortunately I'm gonna make these all in a day. Anywho, so we are on to what I'm most excited for, which is Hailey Bieber smoothie.
There's a new drink at Erewhon, Hailey Bieber Strawberry Glaze Skin Smoothie. You guys, this is probably the best one yet. It is so good, so refreshing. Oh my gosh, I'm going to show you a little bit. It has almond milk strawberries. We put some avocado in there. Vital protein, skin collagen, dates, maple syrup. And this is erewhon sea moss that I'm going to put in. This benefits are crazy. Look at that, yum. Also banana, and we're gonna blend it up. Also, I was looking up sea moss. Sea moss has like 92 minerals for our body, energy, metabolism, like the list goes on for sea moss. It's crazy. You have to go look it up. And we're gonna blend. Yum. I'm gonna crave this again right now. It's so good. And then I'm putting some coconut cream on the sides. And then also we have a house-made strawberry glaze that I'm doing right now. This has neocell hyaluronic acid in it for you. Amazing. Oh my god, look at that. So good. Hailey Bieber, delicious. You guys need to try this. There's a list of ingredients if you want to pause and read it. But yeah, it literally starts today, so go try it and see what you think.
I'm for smoothie number 2. I'm really excited for this one. We're gonna do the same thing we did last time, and we're just gonna add some coconut cream. It probably would look better if I used a spoon. Okay. All right, she's beauty. Let's grab our strawberry glaze. And the most important part, our smoothie. Okay, I'm really excited. She said to put the strawberry glaze at the bottom and sort of like work it around. Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous. Erewhon, hire me. Okay. I don't know if I need more or not. Okay, we'll add some more at the top if we need it. Okay, here she goes. Oh my gosh, so exciting. She's the perfect color. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yeah, there's not really anything left. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit to the top, just a little. You guys, why am I so excited? They usually put a little dollop at the top. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm so impressed with myself. Like, look at this. I can't tell. We're gonna have to get the thicker straw. It's my preferred smoothie straw. It's so good. I didn't put enough liquid in there, and I think I put too much ice in there. But oh my gosh, this is not like, it tastes like straight up ice cream. It tastes like a milkshake. Hi guys, so we're on to the Mariana Hewitt smoothie.
Trying Erewhon's newest limited edition smoothie. Back at my second home and walking through the most aesthetic aisle on the planet to try the new Coconut Cloud Smoothie by Mariana Hewitt, influencer and co-founder of Summer Fridays. Now first off, the look of this smoothie is like a galactic and oceanic mix, big time vibe, and as for taste, it's a coconutty and almond buttery mix that definitely hits the spot. It's only available for a limited time, so go get this ASAP.
I'm really excited, and I put in the banana, I'm putting in the chunks of pineapple. All right, and now we're just gonna add some avocado. As you guys know, I have my frozen avocado. Oh my gosh, that was not a good idea. Oh my god, I'm salt. We're gonna add a scoop of protein. And in some of the videos I saw on TikTok, people were adding cream to the actual smoothie instead of just to the sides of it. So I'm gonna add a little bit. I'm sure it's for like a coconut taste. All right, most important part is the blue spirulina. That's what it is. Oh my god, look at it. Add a little bit. Alright, so as far as aesthetics, let's give her a twirl. I made the like base, like the smoothie itself, a little too dark. I put too much blue in it, so it's a little dark. But as you can see, I put blue spirulina like around the cup. It's good. It just tastes like, oh my god. It just tastes straight up like a banana smoothie.
Yeah, running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest gon' come in.